Efficiently mounting an electric hand dryer on tile requires careful preparation and execution. This guide provides a detailed, step-by-step process for achieving a secure and professional installation. Firstly, gather the necessary materials. You will need an electric hand dryer, 3/16-inch toggle bolts, a 5/16-inch drill bit, a hammer drill which is optional but recommended, a pilot hole drill bit either 1/8-inch or 3/16-inch, a socket wrench, a level, and a pencil or marker. Secondly, prepare the tile for drilling. Use the level to ensure the hand dryer will be mounted straight. Mark the 4 mounting hole locations in the tile with a pencil or marker. Precise marking is crucial for a balanced and aesthetically pleasing installation. Thirdly, drill pilot holes. If using a hammer drill, set it to the drill-only mode. Otherwise, use a regular drill. Use the pilot hole drill bit, either 1/8-inch or 3/16-inch, to drill small holes at the marked locations. These pilot holes will guide the larger drill bit and help prevent the tile from cracking. Fourthly, consider enlarging the holes for toggle bolts. If using toggle bolts, you may need to enlarge the holes in the tile to accommodate the toggle wings. For a 3/16-inch toggle bolt, use a 5/16-inch drill bit to drill through the tile only. It is important to only drill through the tile at this stage, avoiding drilling into the wall behind it. Fifthly, if you use toggle bolts, insert them into the enlarged holes in the tile. Fold the wings of the toggle bolts up to secure them in place. This step prepares the bolts for insertion into the wall. Sixthly, drill wall holes. Using a hammer drill in hammer drill mode, carefully drill holes into the wall behind the tile. The holes should be slightly deeper than the toggle bolts or anchors you are using. Ensure the holes are deep enough to accommodate the full length of the toggle bolts or anchors for maximum stability. Seventhly, insert the bolts or anchors. If using toggle bolts, insert them into the wall holes and tighten the screws until the wings expand behind the wall. If using plastic anchors, hammer them into the holes until they are flush with the tile surface. The choice of anchors depends on the wall material and the weight of the hand dryer. Eighthly, mount the hand dryer. Align the hand dryer with the mounting holes and secure using the supplied bolts or screws. Tighten the bolts or screws until the hand dryer is securely attached to the wall. Ensure the hand dryer is level and stable before fully tightening the fasteners. Important tips to consider include firstly using a sharp drill bit. This helps prevent cracking the tile. Drill slowly and apply steady pressure. Secondly, wear safety glasses and gloves when drilling to protect your eyes and hands from debris and potential injury. Thirdly, if the tile is particularly hard, consider using a diamond tip drill bit. Diamond tip bits are designed for drilling through very hard materials like porcelain and stone. Fourthly, if possible, use a rubber washer or gasket between the hand dryer and the tile. This will help prevent scratches and provide a more secure and vibration-resistant mount. Fifthly, test the hand dryer's functionality before use. Ensure that it is securely mounted and operates correctly before putting it into service. Using the correct tools and techniques is vital to preventing damage to the tile. Drilling in reverse can sometimes help prevent cracking, but it is essential to switch to forward once you have penetrated the surface. Always use a sharp drill bit designed for tile. Applying masking tape over the drilling area can also help prevent chipping. Choosing the right type of anchor is equally important. Toggle bolts are a good choice for hollow walls as they provide a strong hold. Plastic anchors are suitable for solid walls, but make sure they are rated for the weight of the hand dryer. Consider the location of the hand dryer. Ensure it is accessible and convenient for users. Avoid placing it too close to sinks or other water sources. Follow all electrical codes and safety regulations when installing the hand dryer. If you are not comfortable with electrical work, hire a qualified electrician. Inspect the hand dryer regularly to ensure it remains securely mounted. Tighten any loose screws or bolts as needed. Proper maintenance will help extend the life of the hand dryer and prevent accidents. Remember that different types of tile require different drilling techniques. Ceramic tile is relatively easy to drill, while porcelain tile is much harder and requires more patience and specialized drill bits. Natural stone tiles, such as granite or marble, are also more challenging to drill and may require wet drilling to prevent cracking. If you are unsure about the type of tile you are working with, consult with a tile professional. They can provide guidance on the best drilling techniques and drill bits to use. Consider using a drill guide to help keep the drill bit from wandering. A drill guide is a simple tool that helps you drill straight, accurate holes. It can be especially useful when drilling into tile, as it helps prevent the drill bit from slipping and scratching the surface. When drilling into tile, apply constant, even pressure. Avoid using excessive force, as this can cause the tile to crack. Let the drill bit do the work and take your time. If you encounter resistance, stop drilling and check the drill bit. It may be dull or damaged. Replace the drill bit if necessary. After drilling, clean the area around the holes thoroughly. Remove any dust, debris, or loose pieces of tile. This will help ensure a clean and professional-looking installation. Consider using a grout sealant to protect the tile around the mounting holes. A grout sealant will help prevent water from seeping into the holes and damaging the wall behind the tile. It will also help keep the tile clean and free from stains. When choosing a hand dryer, consider the noise level. Some hand dryers can be quite loud, which can be disruptive in certain environments. Look for a hand dryer with a low noise rating. Also consider the energy efficiency of the hand dryer. Some hand dryers use more energy than others. Look for a hand dryer with a high energy efficiency rating to save money on your electricity bill. Finally, consider the design of the hand dryer. Choose a hand dryer that complements the decor of your bathroom or restroom. There are many different styles and finishes to choose from. By following these steps and tips, you can efficiently and securely mount an electric hand dryer on tile. With careful planning and execution, you can achieve a professional-looking installation that will last for years to come. Installing an electric hand dryer also involves some electrical considerations. Firstly, ensure that the electrical circuit is properly grounded. A properly grounded circuit is essential for safety and will help prevent electrical shocks. Secondly, use the correct wire gauge for the circuit. The wire gauge should be appropriate for the amperage of the hand dryer. Refer to the hand dryer specifications and the electrical code to determine the correct wire gauge. Thirdly, install a dedicated circuit breaker for the hand dryer. A dedicated circuit breaker will help prevent overloading the circuit and will provide additional protection against electrical hazards. Fourthly, use a GFCI outlet if required by local codes. A GFCI outlet is designed to protect against electrical shocks in wet environments. It is often required in bathrooms and restrooms. Fifthly, turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical connections. This is a critical safety precaution that will help prevent electrical shocks. Sixthly, follow all electrical codes and safety regulations. Electrical work should be performed by a qualified electrician. Improper electrical work can be dangerous and can lead to fire or electrical shock. When connecting the hand dryer to the electrical circuit, use proper wiring techniques. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Use wire connectors to join wires together. Do not simply twist the wires together, as this can lead to loose connections and electrical hazards. After completing the electrical connections, test the hand dryer to ensure that it is working properly. Use a multimeter to check the voltage and amperage of the circuit. If you are not comfortable with electrical work, hire a qualified electrician to install the hand dryer. The electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by someone who is trained and experienced. In addition to the above, consider the following tips for mounting an electric hand dryer. Firstly, use shims to level the hand dryer if necessary. If the wall is not perfectly level, use shims to adjust the position of the hand dryer. This will ensure that the hand dryer is level and looks professional. Secondly, use a stud finder to locate wall studs. If possible, mount the hand dryer to a wall stud for added support. Wall studs provide a more secure mounting surface than drywall alone. Thirdly, use a sealant to prevent water damage. Apply a bead of sealant around the perimeter of the hand dryer to prevent water from seeping behind it. This will help protect the wall from water damage. Fourthly, clean the hand dryer regularly. Wipe down the hand dryer with a damp cloth to remove dirt and grime. This will help keep the hand dryer looking its best. Fifthly, inspect the hand dryer regularly for damage. Check the hand dryer for cracks, loose screws, or other damage. Repair any damage promptly to prevent further problems. Remember that proper installation and maintenance are essential for the safe and reliable operation of an electric hand dryer. By following these steps and tips, you can ensure that your hand dryer is installed correctly and will provide years of trouble-free service. Additionally, consider the following points for long-lasting installation. Firstly, use stainless steel hardware. Stainless steel hardware is more resistant to corrosion than other types of hardware. This is especially important in wet environments such as bathrooms and restrooms. Secondly, use a torque wrench to tighten the mounting bolts. A torque wrench will help you tighten the bolts to the correct torque specification. This will prevent over-tightening the bolts, which can damage the tile or the hand dryer. Thirdly, install a backer board behind the tile. A backer board is a layer of material that is installed behind the tile to provide a more stable mounting surface. This is especially important for heavy hand dryers. Fourthly, use a flexible sealant around the perimeter of the hand dryer. A flexible sealant will allow the hand dryer to move slightly without cracking the sealant. This is important because walls can shift and settle over time. Fifthly, provide adequate ventilation around the hand dryer. Adequate ventilation will help prevent the hand dryer from overheating. Make sure that there is enough space around the hand dryer for air to circulate. Sixthly, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and maintenance. The manufacturer's instructions will provide specific guidance on how to install and maintain the hand dryer. By following these instructions, you can ensure that the hand dryer is installed correctly and will last for many years. Seventhly, consider hiring a professional installer. If you are not comfortable installing the hand dryer yourself, consider hiring a professional installer. A professional installer will have the experience and expertise to install the hand dryer correctly and safely. Eighthly, keep records of the installation. Keep records of the date of installation, the model number of the hand dryer, and any other relevant information. This information will be helpful if you need to repair or replace the hand dryer in the future. Ninthly, inspect the hand dryer regularly for wear and tear. Check the hand dryer for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, loose screws, or damaged wires. Repair any damage promptly to prevent further problems. Tenthly, clean the hand dryer regularly with a mild detergent. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the hand dryer. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the finish of the hand dryer. Finally, remember that safety is always the top priority. Follow all safety precautions when installing and maintaining the hand dryer. If you are not sure how to do something, consult with a qualified electrician or installer.